Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. To get started, hold the power key, and when you see boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into safe mode, as you can see. So let's confirm it by tapping on turn on. This will initiate a reboot, and once the device is back on, it will then be in the safe mode. Now, I will warn you, in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will function normally. So basically all the apps from Google, things like dialer, messages, browser, and so on. But anything that either is additionally installed by carrier or maybe the phone manufacturer might be disabled, and anything that you have disabled will most certainly be turned off and won't be able to start. So as you can see now that it's back on, you have this watermark right here, safe mode, and widgets aren't working. And let's see if there's anything else. So basically majority apps are right here. Facebook, whatever this is, Glovo, aren't working. You can see that based on the fact that they're just black and white right now, kind of like grayish tone. And when you try to open them, it tells you that downloaded apps disabled in safe mode, so you can't start them up. Now, the reason for this mode is that if you're having some kind of problem with your device, as an example, your battery is draining too quick, or maybe your device is overall just malfunctioning, lagging, stuff like that, you can boot it into safe mode and see if the problem still persists. Now, in here, if the problem still persists in safe mode, then you basically have a clear definition that whatever is causing the problem is not it's not caused by an application that you might have installed, or the application might have installed itself. So you basically have a clear understanding that whatever is happening, it's then caused by the phone itself rather than something that you have installed. Now, anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and select power off and restart. Select restart, and once the device is back on, it will go back to the normal mode. And as you can see now, the device is back on and it's back in a normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.